Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change border style in Microsoft Publisher document. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take a border to this page. Now we want to change the border style, click the border, then go to the shape format menu. Then go to the shape outline drop down menu, then you can change the color. Now I select the orange color, go back again the shape outline option and choose the dashes option, then add dash border to this border. Now we can see we change the border style this publisher document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.